Hello everybody, it's Teacher Tom. It's very nice to see you again. Let's have a look at today's English and we'll play a game. I will show you some pictures and you can point when I say the word. Okay? Alright, let's go somewhere to play the game. Excellent. Now, where is the word rat? Where is the rat? Let's have a look. There's rat. Can you say rat? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look for another one. Where is the bug? Where is the bug? Let's have a look. There's the bug. Can you say bug? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, let's have a look for another one. Where is the hen? That's right. Where is the hen? Let's have a look. There's the hen. Can you say hen? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look for one more. Where is the hat? Where is the hat? Let's have a look. There's the hat. Can you say hat? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's go back to the classroom. Lovely. Now, I think we should sing one more song. I think we should sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. That would be really nice. So, let's sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Let's go. Wonderful. Lovely. Okay, let's sing We Wish You a Merry Christmas. If you know it, you can sing it. If you don't know it, you can listen. That's okay. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring for you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Lovely. What a lovely song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wonderful. And remember, if you want to learn the song or sing the song, you can watch it again. Okay, let's go back to the classroom. Lovely. Now let's play another game. Let's go somewhere to play it. Excellent. Now, where is sit? Where is sit? Let's have a look. There's sit. Can you say sit? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look for another one. Where is hug? Where is hug? Let's have a look. There's hug. Can you say hug? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look for another one. Where is top? Where is top? Let's have a look. There's top. Can you say top? Very, very good. Well done. All right, let's have a look for one more. Where is the pot? Where is the pot? Let's have a look. There's the pot. Can you say pot? Very, very good. Well done. Okay, excellent. Let's go back to the classroom. Lovely. Now, today, you can get some colours, and you can get some paper, and we're going to do some writing. So let's go somewhere to practice writing. Let's go. Okay, everybody, on your paper, you can get your pencil and you can write rat, R-A-T, rat. Then you can write bug, B-U-G, bug. Then you can write hen, H-E-N, hen. Then hat, H-A-T, hat. Then top, T-O-P, top. Then you can have a go at sit, S-I-T, sit. Then you can have a go at writing hug, H-U-G, hug. Finally, you can have a go at writing pot, P-O-T, pot. Have a go at writing these words on your paper. Okay, have fun. Lovely. Well, it was very nice to see you again, everybody, and I can't wait to see you again very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye.